I think that the most humane way is a live kill. We're gonna take our knife, find the stem. Portland is a world-class food destination. Big flavors, lots of spice, lots of citrus. My passion for barbecue started in UT football, watching the games every Saturday, tailgating, tending a smoker, cooking. Just sort of fell in love with the fact that that kind of food could bring people together. And, you know, it's a good excuse to start drinking beer about 8:30 in the morning, so. Today we're gonna be making our signature barbecue board, lobster, smoked mussels, and smoked bluefish dip. Today we're gonna be surprising our good buddy, Steve. I hope we're not interrupting you, Steve. My name is Pliny Reynolds. Welcome to Twisted's Grill Next Door. First things first, we gotta light our fire. You can only get certain flavors from live fire. Our smoker in the back is one of a kind, so we're able to showcase that kind of flavor. So this is our local bluefish. First thing that we got to do is skin the fish. And bluefish is similar to mackerel and stuff like that, so it's got a really heavy fish flavor. Growing up, I had worked in restaurants, decided to go to college. I was either going to go into the culinary arts or architecture. I chose architecture, and 15 years later, here I am. So our bluefish is about to go on. We're going to dress it with a couple of components here. Do our chili oil, and then this is our sweet pepper oil, and then this is our hot sauce. Got to be a little bit careful with this. It's got quite a bit of bite, but awesome flavor. Hit it with some fresh citrus. And then last, but absolutely not least, a little salt and pepper. Incorporate these flavors. All right, so now we're gonna put this on the smoker, give it about 20 minutes. Should be good to go. We do everything differently. We do the barbecue differently. We do the seafood differently. When we first opened as a barbecue restaurant, you can only cook so much barbecue. It was not an expectation here. So we had to modify our menu to kind of fit the expectation. Another gem of Casco Bay. This is Bangs Island mussels. These beauties are gonna go into our pan at a high temperature, fire these guys off, and then all we're gonna do is add white wine and water mixture about 1-to-1 that will steam them. They'll go straight into the sheet pan and then onto the smoker to finish off. We chose Steve because when we were doing construction, he helped out quite a bit. Critical moments doing whatever we asked him to do. See, we're getting a good amount of smoke and a lot of good detachment. And I am going to, as gently as I can, begin to pull away the mussel. We're really just trying to preserve the integrity of the shape. Looking pretty perfect. A little bit of our chili oil, a little bit of our hot sauce, some salt and pepper for seasoning. Mix these guys up, hit it with a little bit of lime, and those guys are good to go. Every barbecue, even barbecues in Maine, have deviled eggs. They're kind of like a staple. Just grab our seasoned smoked mussels, drizzle of the chili oil, and then we'll add some crispy shallots for a little bit of texture, and some scallions for a little flavor and color. Our Bangs Island mussels smoked deviled eggs. So back to the bluefish dip. It's off the smoker. We're gonna combine it with the rest of the ingredients. We try to keep the bluefish pretty chunky, and then as we mix in the other ingredients, we'll kind of continue to break up a little bit more. A little mirepoix of sweet pepper, jalapeno pepper, and onion, house ceviche dressing, a little bit of our sweet chili oil, massive squeeze of fresh lime, this time just salt. And then we'll just gently kind of combine these ingredients. Put down a little bit of lettuce leaf, and then we're gonna give it a nice, generous little mound. Finish it with a little bit of our chili oil. Voila. It's time to smoke some lobsters. It's not something we've worked with lately. The price of lobsters is astronomical at the moment. The price that we would have to charge just doesn't fit with what we do here. I think that the most humane way of processing is take our knife, find the stem right there, and just quickly all the way through. We're gonna put these on the smoker face down at the hottest, most radiant part, which is this lower hand side. It's closer to the firebox. And then when we flip it back over, we'll hit it with a Fresno chili butter. Looking pretty close. Baste these guys up. Fill the cavity with our Fresno garlic butter. Never have too much butter, right? Now that our lobsters are done, we are ready to plate. Take the lobster bodies, get them nestled in here. yet some more butter. We're gonna finish the plate with some cornbread. All right, I think we're set. We're gonna get this over to our good friend Steve while the lobster is hot, and hope he enjoys it. See what he thinks. I hope we're not interrupting you, Steve. Got a little bit of a surprise here. Just want to say thanks for all the hard work that you've done at our restaurant to help us get our ship sailing a little bit. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So thank you, neighbor.
Pleasure.
I hope you like lobster.
Oh, I do, yeah.
Food's always been a vehicle to bring people together, and I think that shared experience is pretty critical.
Very good.
Thanks for watching The Grill Next Door. Remember to like and subscribe.